Brittany. Welcome to our holiday home. Come on inside. I have so much to show you. We're staying at a 3-story, 11-bedroom home. It's absolutely incredible. I have so much to show you. It is beautiful. Everything at Evermore is designed from the ground up with big families and groups in mind. Spaces are thoughtfully scaled with wide, open layouts. There's oversized furniture. There's a large dining table that honestly truly fits everyone. And the kitchen is built for gatherings with double refrigerators, double dishwashers, and every tool you need. What I love most about vacationing here is there is a holiday decor add-on. And honestly, one of the most stressful things to do is decorate a home. They will do it all here for you, so you don't even have to lift a finger. There's a Christmas tree, there's a wreath, there's garland. It just feels so warm and fuzzy and like you're at home without having to do any of the work. Over here is my favorite part of the home. It's this beautiful, large kitchen. There's a long island, it's open. So you know what they always say, there's too many cooks in the kitchen, but definitely not in this one. There is room for everyone to help out. This kitchen is fully equipped with so many utensils that are in these cabinets. So you don't have to bring anything here. You can do all of your baking and cooking, but there's also these large open shelves that have things that you need day to day, like plates and glasses. I love that there's room for everyone at this large, comfortable table. Every meal feels so special. I was especially excited to add my own touches to the setting, making it the perfect complement to the tree. All right, everyone, dinner's ready.